This song is going crazy. Hey guys, welcome back to another live stream. How's it going? You're so back. I just realized this camera is actually a little bit tilted. Okay. Should be fine now, I think. Now it's even more tilted. God damn it. Welcome back, guys. How's it going? We are so back. Absolutely. Look at the hat. This is Grindhouse merch, Ratatouille retro hat. If you want to buy it, go to grindhouse.dev. And oh man, I'm dripping today. Look at the cup. Look at the cup. This is Turkey Rust community special merch. Dude, I'm dripping out today, man. How's it going, everybody? I'm drinking coffee. I have my water right next to me, so we are just ready to just roll, ready to do some maintenance and just, I don't know, just chill. How's it going, everybody? I'm Joyful. What up, man? How's everything? What are you guys grinding? Doing fine. Working on a lot right now. Can only imagine, man. A lot of going on right now in the world. A lot of stuff to build. So yeah. Let me announce this live stream on my Twitter. 1 second. Give me 1 second to just share this thing around. Okay. That was blue sky. Follow me on social media, by the way. Links are in the description. Okay, I posted it on everywhere. Hell yeah, doing work and reading about Cassaway's algorithm. Nice. We are using that in Ratatouille. We have a fork of Cassaway's what was it? Cassaway. Cassaway. Wait, am I talking about the same thing? Cassaway's algorithm. Did you mean cassowary? Because we're using that. I think you meant cassowary. We are using a fork of cassowary RS. It's called cassowary. Yeah, okay, there you go. This is for solving constraints. It's pretty cool. I mean, I looked at the code. It's a bit like, it takes a bit of time to understand it, you know. But yeah, it's just more like maintained version of Cassowary RS, which is not maintained anymore, I think. So yeah, cool, man. That's a cool thing to read about, I think. I still don't know the details about that, actually. Let me have a really quick look, because I'm curious now. Oops. So yeah, basically, I don't know where the actual algorithm is written out as code, but I think it's in expression. Solver, yeah, the solver is a beast. The solver is a beast. So yeah, cool stuff. Anyways, there's some pull requests here. I think this should be fine. While I'm at this, let me just merge it actually. I don't know why it's lagging so bad right now. So tests common. I saw the issue on the repo, decided to start learning about the algorithm to see if I can contribute anything. Cool. Which issue are you talking about though? I'll just merge this one, by the way. Guys, this stream I think I'm just gonna work on the cassowary. Oh, we need to create a new release of this, man. It's been a long time, I just realized. Damn. I could probably just do it now because we have all the CI set up already, so should be fine. I was just checking the commit messages to see the format that we're using here. I think this is a feature. So yeah. Let me edit the comment message real quick. 18, the resolver hanging. Okay, let me have a look. 1 second. This helps with... Alright, let's merge it. Oh, there's only one issue anyway, so yeah. Good. This one is pretty deep. Let me just warn you beforehand. I think Jagoda spent quite a good amount of time on this, and yeah, this one might be a little deep, but we would really appreciate if you could just help out on this, because it needs some man hours and just banging your head against the table. Nah, go for it, go for it. I'm trying to like give you like a bit of more confidence to attack the problem here, but I'm not doing a great job. So yeah, I'll just ship you some cheese if you do something about it. I'm just bribing you at this point. Like, anyways, feel free to work on the issue. It's always appreciated. Thank you so much. I should just say that and say nothing else. Okay. Cool, guys. In this stream, I'm basically gonna just take a look at some leftover stuff and yeah, just overall maintenance, guys. So yeah, Ratworks, and this is Ratworks, so it means that we should definitely do some Ratatouille stuff. So we'll just go ahead and have a look at some Ratatouille stuff as well. So yeah. Let's see. Styling color does not go well with emojis. Might need to reproduce this one. When putting colors with some specific emojis, the characters of the border of a block are altered and visually wrong to reproduce. Let's reproduce this one. So this is emoji repro. I found some lectures on linear programming that I have been watching while working. Would be cool if I figure something out, but I know it would take a lot of effort to do so. I said that it might take some time, but I really don't know the problem there. I haven't looked into it, but maybe it's something really simple. I have no idea, but definitely it'll take some brain work to do. So get ready for that if you want to work on that issue. But I think it's pretty cool problem. It's like really, it's a type of problem that you would lose sleep on, you know, like these type of problems usually I like them because it prevents some overthinking about unnecessary subjects, and you can just like occupy your brain with an actual technical problem. Maybe I'm just using these things as an escape from real life, but it is what it is, man. It is what it is. Okay, cool. The core of the code is that this part. So let me actually run this and see for myself. Expected behavior. The block are rendered in distinct areas, so they should not do this. Alright. Oh, well. What the hell? This does not happen for me though. It really depends on... It might be dependent on the terminal, so let me just try this on this term. Nope, nothing happens. I'm unable to reproduce. I was able to reproduce this issue on my Windows setup. Yeah. I was going to say that this problem is highly dependent on the environment. Terminal. I've got an issue in Oxycore with channels, emojis, and hi. Welcome, Linux Mobile. Yeah. How did you fix it, or did you fix the issue? Terminal font size. I remove emojis from guilds like a pro. I doubt there's anything that we can do on the Tattooist side. In other words, you'll likely experience the same problem if you could just print out the row and see. Escape. Well, with another culprits might be the Unicode widths. Dealing with the emoji problem drove me crazy, so I removed them directly. I mean, of course, man, like emojis and different environments in Unicode. Yeah, totally feel you on that. Another culprit might be the Unicode width crate. I recommend trying patching that dependency out with different versions, major versions of it, because different to see the different behaviors. Some Unicode with... There was one issue that really gave us some headaches. I'll find that and link to that actually, because that one was like just looked like a simple dependency update, but it contained like a rabbit hole about emojis and Unicode of it and so on. So I need to find that one. There's an article by the creator of Ghosty which explains the problem, but I wasn't able to solve it. Yeah. I mean, look at this. Like, there are like so many Unicode issues. I need to find that one. This one might be related. This one might be related. Bump Unicode with, okay, let me just search for that. Bump Unicode with, I think it was this one, no, this one maybe. I don't know. Or do you wipe code sometimes? Yeah, man. I don't know what is wipe coding to you, but I do use AI output, if that makes sense. I don't blatantly commit the AI output to my code base most of the time, but I use AI. I guess that's not wipe coding, is it? 14, I think you found it. 1438, 1438. I think you found it, yeah. Yeah, man, thank you so much for this. I was just trying to find this one. Thank you. Related discussion. Oh man. Highly recommend to check it out. I highly recommend checking out. Is there a way to fix this? For now, I just try to use some emojis that seem to work well. No, wipe coding is when you just let the AI do everything and you don't read the code. Okay, then. That's just what we all do, big bro, and wipe coding is like telling it to this, then doesn't know review, just push works. Yeah, then I don't really wipe code. Any tips on growing a beard, bro? Just inject testosterone or no, I don't know, man. I didn't do anything special for that, like, yeah. I mean, I feel like, since I'm bald, God maybe just felt a little bad and just tried to compensate with a beard. So, I don't know, just go bald or something. No idea, man. Just enroll on a engineering course. Know what I'm saying? Okay, let's see. I'm trying to find the next thing to work on here. Let's see. There's this PR right here, so we can take a look at this one. I'm bold too. I did aviation, I got my fair share. Dude, no idea. Steroids, I guess. I don't use steroids, don't get me wrong. I'm just joking. Don't do that. Add site crawler for console error. Add a test site crawler that collects console output and categorizes errors during site traversal. What? I have no idea what that means. Let's see. Guys, any front-end gurus in the chat today? I have no idea. What issue? Hey, what issue does this solve? Sorry, I'm not a. I'll just send a link, bro. If you could take a look and just let me know if I should merge. If you could just give me like a really short TLDR, will be great. And if you think these changes are okay or not, I don't know, because I have no idea. I'm just trying to like get help from you guys. I trust you guys. Thank you. Sorry, I'm not a front-end guru enough to catch what's going on here. I mean, I get it, but like, do we actually need this? Like, why would we make these changes? What is going on? I have no idea. Anyways, moving on to another issue over here. Hyperlink support. This is also a draft. Today everything is draft. Today we are all drafted. Oh wow, this is a big, oh my god, what is this? 2000 lines. I ain't gonna read all that. No. I don't think page go to has a break. I don't know what you mean. Wait, so wait. Let me just at least understand what is this thing is. Hyperlink support. This is where ANSI 2.2e. So yeah, so basically wait. So you have a text and we convert that to a Ratatouille text here. I'll actually run this because I'm curious how it looks like. So ANSI 2.2e. Let me pull here. Pull the changes over here. Bro, I maybe leave a review comment on the PR because I haven't checked. I just moved on really quickly, so I don't know what you're talking about. I'm sorry. So, okay. Hyperlink support. Let's run the hyperlink example. Hyperlinks. So in theory, what will happen here is you convert that text into a Ratatouille text, and then it would highlight the text as link. and you could click it in the terminal. That's what I expect to see, but I have no idea. Wait, what is link? I don't see any hyperlinks over here though. Nope. Are these supposed to be links? And maybe my terminal does not support that. Let me run it on Western maybe. Okay, these are like no hyperlinks. Cool. I'm not sure why. Okay, these are now hyperlinks. Cool. So that's nice, first of all. Second of all, what do we use? Oh, got it. Okay, so basically when we have, oh shit, this is pretty cool actually. I like that. So when we have a hyperlinked ANSI escape code, I think this is now like generating that on the fly, but when we have like a hyperlink in an ANSI escape code, if you use ANSI to TWI, it will now support converting those links to actual links. So that is really nice. I like that. I don't know about all these changes though, like I don't think I will be able to review all of this, but overall that's pretty neat. That's pretty neat. Just tested the example code and works really nice. I'm not sure if I will have the capacity to review all this, but definitely looking forward. Rats and cheese. Drop link. Oh hey man, didn't know you were streaming. How's it going? We just started, I think. Just I don't know, a bit like how do you call it? Spontaneous live stream. So yeah, I'm doing good, man. Like I'm just chilling, you know, like looking at some rad stuff and trying to I don't know, just spending time, just passing time, man. How's everything with you? How are the cats? The PR adds a browser crawling test to check for console for logged warning errors. The PR says that it is checking for hydration issues, but you're in SSG, so you should have hydration, unless you do in docs hours. There might be some hydration. Well, I definitely have some hydration issues, so let me pour some water. Shit, I'm out of water, man. I need to get some water now. Damn, I only have this much, so I'll just try to survive with this. But anyways, why am I showing this private repo? I have no idea. So there a little, I think some hydration issues, especially in this one. If you go to 1443, you'll see that we are fixing some kind of hydration thing. So yeah, but like I said, I am not a front-end guru. I have no idea what hydration means still. I usually try to hydrate myself, so yeah. I don't really have time to hydrate web pages. I mean, I'm barely hydrating myself, man. I'm drinking like 3 to 4 liters of water. Sometimes 5. If that's a good day, I go for 5, but otherwise just 3 to 4. Yeah, I need to just migrate to Astro problem solved. God damn, man. God damn, man. But yeah, creatine. I'll just wait. This week in Rust. I haven't checked that. Let's have a look at that one, guys. Let's have a look at the newsletter. Which issue? 642. Okay. Let's see what's popping in the Rust ecosystem. Let's see. A terminal-based Markdown browser. Holy shit. Interactive tweet. This is Reddit tweet or what? No, it's cross-term. Okay, that also works, I guess. Is this package already? Let me actually build it. Let me actually build it. I'm curious about this project now. Let me try it out. Okay, 1 second, guys. I'll just add it to my secret list of projects. Okay. I have some criticism about this newsletter, which is I have submitted so many like releases to this, and I thought that they only accepted blog posts, but now I see that they accepted a release, just the release page from GitHub. So I don't know, it's kind of weird now. I guess I can just submit a lot of projects to this list now. I mean, if that's what they are accepting, but I have no idea. Anyways, I'll just quit bitching about this. So move on to this. Oh my fucking guy has a secret list of projects. Oh, I mean, of course, man. I have so many cool stuff in there. You know my social media posts? You don't think that I mean, I obviously have a list of projects because otherwise I cannot find something to share every day. And if I expose that now, following me on social media would be pointless. So I'm not gonna just give out all my material to you guys, okay? If you give me like $5 per month, maybe. Probably. If you give me like $2 per month, you got my list. Boom, that's in your email immediately. Just sponsor me on GitHub for $1, $1, you got my whole list. That's what's going on these days. I'm so desperate. No, I'm just kidding. Okay, so how do we run this actually? Sponsor me on GitHub, by the way. Come on, let's get it. Let's make that cheese. Solve for 1/2 cup of coffee. Definitely. Definitely. Alright, let's see. Man, I don't want to complain, but there are so many other projects like this, and at this point I don't really see the benefit of making more Markdown explorers, Markdown viewers. Like, also it's taking forever to run. Am I just getting backdoored as of now? Am I just being hacked or something? Why is it like encrypting all my files, right? What the fuck? I'm just tripping. Process, is it running any process? Oh man, I'm so cooked. Fuck. It's just now installing some ransomware probably. That's why I don't really trust open source software, because it could be doing anything right now. And I just ran it like without even questioning it because it's Rust, and I mean, if I'm getting hacked, at least it's gonna be quick and it's gonna be blazingly fast, so I'm not complaining. Anyways, it didn't even run for me. It's kind of sad. Is MD term the one that had nice line wrapping? I think that was MD Twee, but I'm not sure. I think it was MD Twee. Yeah, I mean, look at this. Same project. Also, like, why is it taking forever to... What the hell? Is it parsing something? I think I got hacked, guys. Like, what the... Okay, anyways. I'm gonna give them a star because this is cool and Rust and Terminal and so on, but yeah, I'm just gonna leave it at that. The anatomy of a 500 nanosecond parser. Rust AI agent framework. Rust Stations AI. Oh my god, dude. We're so cooked. Oh my god. I don't know what to say at this point. I mean, there shouldn't be a community for this, I think, because this makes it like... This is a controversial take probably, but like this makes it like, I don't know, this gives more power to wipe coding and like, I don't know. Anyways, we're so cooked, like I said. Signing Rust binaries shouldn't require shell scripts. Oh, this is from Swan's blog, okay. I still need to look into cargo bundle at some point. My Rust dev setup. Okay, I think that's it. Happy Clippy, you're a helpful day for those who celebrate. Zed, chat. What? I was expecting at least some coding agent. What? ChatGPT. I just use M. We are in the cooked. Yeah. I mean, look. My dev setup Zed, ChatGPT. What is Whisper Flow? No idea. New shell. I don't know why. Oh my god, what the hell is this? Dude. 5, that's it. Like, are you serious? I was expecting like, I don't know, Z, that's fine. New shell, Zelish, I don't know, like Docker, shit, ThinkPad, I don't know, something like that. But like, what? I have 2 issues with this blog post. One of them is ChatGPT, and the second one is why there are like 4 items on this list. Anyways, I'm just yapping, man. I should probably read it. There's probably something useful in here. Anyways, moving on. Moving on. Today I feel like I can stir some drama. I probably shouldn't do that. Or maybe I should. Guys, clip this and send it to all the big YouTubers that you know. Meaning that you should just send it to me. You should make your own site for this shit, Lil Twin. What do you mean own site? Do you mean are talking to me or the guy on the blog post? Also, why my video is lagging again? So there's this one. Fix linting issues in xtask lint command. I think this was fine mostly. Just like markdown, 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 and markdown. Okay. I think I approved this already. So yeah, I'll just remove this. Cool. Cool. Moving on to other things. I want to take a look at this one. This one seems fun. Also, if there's anything that you would wish me to take a look at, or if you have sponsored me for $5 and if you want me to take a look at some certain thing, just let me know. Otherwise, I'll just take a look at stuff that I personally think I will enjoy. So yeah. Key maps that requires holding down shift to trigger such as are not working. I experienced to produce this problem in Ghosty. For some reason Ghosty is not correctly reporting the shift modifier key modifiers is this one is Ghosty. Okay, so please report mind creating a new issue with relevant details. I told her this was some debugging, but this was actually some bump on an old issue. Kind of disappointing, but anyways, mind creating a new issue with relevant details. Anyways, I'll find something fun now. 1 second, there should be something here. I think this one is gonna be pretty good. Please remove Ghosty from your package list. What's going on with Ghosty these days, by the way? Is it still popping? Is anyone using Ghosty? Bro, I just applied for a job and saw on Twitter that a better creator also applied. I'm not getting this role. Bro, we're just cooked. We're not getting shit from this AI shitstorm, man. Like we're so cooked. I don't want to like spread negativity, but like I've been trying to find a job for a long time now, and it's really depressing out there. I'm sorry to hear that. I just wanted to share my own perspective on this. I didn't mean to drag you down. I'm sorry if I did that. Anyways, I was just taking a look at Ghosty. Oh, he is still committing. Starting free. I like Ghosty, but eat resources. I'm not a huge GTK fan. Still with food term now. We're talking about the Z role. I also applied to that, by the way, and I think I got rejected. Yeah, I got rejected from that, and it was a month ago. Yeah, I got rejected. It was pretty quick as well. I was expecting at least a week or 2 weeks, but it was pretty quick. So I have no idea, man. I have literally a list of companies that I applied to on my wall. I just put everything with sticky notes just to remind myself. And I'm not gonna share with you, but like you should see it. Like it's just a graveyard. Like I'm literally looking at it, and I have crossed out so many good companies because either they start ignoring me or just straight up rejected me, and Z is one of them. It's kind of funny. I mean, yeah, like I said, I've been trying to find something for 2 months, 3 months, and it's really depressing out there. We have a mouse with PR, by the way. Okay, I'll just pull this one. I don't think they checked in. I have a friend also applied and immediately got an email that he was not going to participate in the process. Mel, I don't know, man. The problem, like, I mean, I wouldn't understand why I got rejected, to be honest, because in the application there was some questions about why do you use Z, you know, and I don't use that, so yeah, that's reasonable if that's why they rejected me, but I probably won't know. So Liligo EPD47, is this maintained? Sounds like it really it's either official or it's not official at all. This is the same guy. Liligo T5 4.7 inch e-paper. Let's see. Why are you using Z? Who is Z? Yeah, it was some like that basically, and I don't remember what I said, but I guess I said something like I don't know, performance. I don't use Z, but I tried it once and so on. I just gave him the truth, I think, but I don't remember. Can't be sure. It's been a while. So this is the e-paper that we're talking about here. I should probably experiment with these boards at some point. That's pretty cool, actually. It's $40 though. Why is it like $13? The other one is $40. No idea. But this library is basically seems like it's somewhat maintained, because the last comment was from yesterday. That's pretty cool. That's looking sick now. So nice. I think I can include this in the mouse width, so let me just review these real quick. Review. Gray 4. I guess that's some special color. I don't know. I think there was only like some formatting issues in this, and other than that it should be all good, I think. Pro font, that's a new one. I think I'll just straight up commit the changes. Or let me just leave a review comment here. Would be nice to use less new lines. It's a nitpick. It's not Rust actually, it's Tomo. We should also update the README about this, and also add a README for this demo as well. So two things to do here. Do we unwrap on the other examples? Yeah, we do. So we should at least... Wait, is this necessary to loop? Like create an empty loop? Is it necessary to create empty loop? Maybe we do that with the other e-ink screen, but I don't remember. Probably do it, yeah. Okay, cool. We do this for the other examples, but I'm not sure. I haven't tried it. Okay. All right, these are looking good. What was the dependency that I just saw? Pro font. Do we need this? what is this, first of all? I don't think we're using this in the example. Are we using this dependency? The dependency is also like, why are we depending on this? Why is this needed? Looks good. Thanks for the PR. I just had some comments. Also, do you mind updating the top level readme MD about this? It would be great to I don't remember the issue. Setup information for the examples. So 170. $171. Alright, there you go. So with this one we will probably have, oh, we have an image actually. That's cool. Let's check it out. So there you go. Ratatouille on embedded devices. That's actually a pretty big screen. That's pretty big. And also like these e-ink screens, because I don't know, they're just different. Feels like they're paper, but they're not. But I guess that's the point. Anyways, it looks super cool. We might have like a more impressive demo, I think, but this also looks good. Let me actually leave a comment. By the way, have you tried anything more impressive? Have you tried rendering anything? Alright, let me comment here. Cool. Moving on to other issues. Is anyone using GitCliff in the chat? Any GitCliff users? Because we have a GitCliff PR from Shingo. I think it's been there for some time, and I just got some energy and time to review it. And for beam term. Nice. So we are migrating from logging to tracing here. Yeah, there's some stuff going on. I haven't checked it, so let's just have a look, I guess. I'm using GitCliff. I'm glad to hear that, Shingo. Otherwise, it would be really weird. You know, co-maintaining a project that you don't use. That would be really weird. Anyways, I'll just check these changes. It's been forever, man. I'm sorry if I took forever to take a look at this, but Yeah, I just needed the right time, you know. Sometimes open source is about doing the things in the right time, because if you're not in the right mindset, and if you're trying to like force yourself to do things, the outcome is not great. I'm telling you. So that's why I have realized this, like, I think for the last 2 weeks, that I just want to have fun doing open source, so I don't want to like force myself. So that's why it took forever. I'm just yapping a lot, man. I just like review the PR. First of all, it's not a huge change, which I like. So tracing. I'm gonna just take a look at the logger module. Tokyo runtime. It's probably fine. I know there are other issues in PRs that probably need attention first. I am not sure, like this was in the back burner for a while, because I think it's not super urgent, but now it's getting urgent because I'm using logging and Anvlogger, and Anvlogger is pinned to a really old version at this point probably, so I should not do that. By the way, it's gonna take forever now because we need to compile 400 Rust dependencies, but whatever. In the meantime, I'll just take a look at the logger module. Wait, what? This looks it's probably fine, but I don't know. Do we actually need this? This kind of seems complex. Color and key. It's yeah, got it. I think I got it. How do you do the spinner stuff though? That's where I'm really curious about. I ran all PRs, also 2 issues. I write problem solution statements for all my issue tickets, so solve problems, not close issues. I mean, it's a good point. I think everything is a issue. Like this reality that we live in, I think it's an issue. I'm not saying you should close it, but it's probably, yeah, just mark it as won't fix, life. I'll mark my life as won't fix. I'm sorry, I don't know what I'm saying. Okay, so spinner ticks. How do we run the progress bar? Is it running on every log statement? Indicative progress style. Because normally, or I should say previously, I only run the progress bar, like this progress indicator, while I'm fetching data from GitHub or some remote thing. So let me see, feature tracing instrument. Okay. Hello, welcome to the live stream. Hello. Are you using Envim? Yeah. Shingo, when are we running the how do we when do we show the progress bar on this? Do we show it always? Let me actually run it to see it myself. That's cool, but is it taking forever? The indicator only runs while fetching the remote data. Got it. Okay, I should say I like this. Especially like, actually let me just leave a review comment. I just think that it gets like green really quickly. Sorry, red. I like how this turned out. Some points of discussion. The spinner gets red quickly, I think wouldn't be just the timing there. The log messages. The main spinner messages seem previously add remote data. Okay, I got your comment, Shingo. In the issue ticket, you could do a problem section and solution section, then files affected solution should be engineered to fit into LLM context window. I don't know, I have nothing to say about that, to be honest. Oh, we need to update CI for this too, because it's a new example. No worries, Shingo. I'm trying to like catch up to the old stuff, so expect more activity on the Git Cliff repo. And what's going on with my internet again? We should also update the CI running the example for checking the example. All right, cool. Let me see what else I can do now. There's one PR, I think, on GitCliff again. This one. Let's see what it's doing. Handle work to include paths related to repo root. Okay, we should not probably touch this. We should probably not touch this one. Oh, okay, this is actually related to this. Okay, cool. Then it should be fine. All right. Oh, this is my change or no? I think this is my change over here. Yeah. It's very similar to what I have done. And we kind of agreed on not doing that, so I don't know why they actually created the PR. So, okay, let me leave a link. Hey, thanks for the PR. However, I don't think we agreed to do a. This probably fixes the issue, but I think to go with a fix like this. See this comment. It further complicates the logic, and we probably want to attack this wider scale by refactoring and all right. Isn't many fun things to do today for some reason. I really, you know what I want right now? I want to just dive deep into some Ratatouille issues. Ratatouille. Oh, there's one. One second. Okay. Shingo, is there any issue that I should look into now? Or any other PR? Like, you could just throw me some links. Probably. Not on the YouTube chat because YouTube does not allow that, but just let me know about the issue numbers or PR numbers. I can take a look now. I am at your service, so use that very wisely. Okay, let me see. Oh, there was another issue that another point that I should address in this PR. 1 second. I saw that, but I forgot to comment. I should probably. Okay, there you go. So this one, I think Adrian is reviewing this one as of now. I'm not sure if I should. Your comments here. Man, YouTube does not allow sending links, so maybe just tell me the issue numbers. Just tell me the issue numbers, Shingo. Right now, actually. Okay, cool. I really need some water right now. Do you guys mind if I go and grab some water? Okay, you know what? I'm gonna just go and get some water. Dang, I was hoping to see my PR reviewed live. What do you mean? Which PR are you talking about? Let me run a good screensaver for you. This is gonna make you dizzy probably. I need the bubbles. Give me the bubbles. How do I run that one? Bubbles. Okay. For 24. Okay, I'll come back in 5 minutes and answer the question about Helix, and I'm gonna review your PRs. Okay, give me a second. I literally cannot speak right now. I need some water. All right, I'll be back. All right, I'm back. I haven't switched to Helix. But yeah, I am interested. What are you using? So 24, let's see. I can review it, but It might clash with Adrian's review. Let's see. I should probably get up to date with the problem description here. It's just clamping the selected item, I think, here. Clamp selected. It adds some state tracking in the widget itself internally. So I'm not sure. Let me see the test. We have a new function called item count. That's kind of, I mean, don't we have already something like that in the list state? Selected. No, we don't have the number of items or anything like that, I think. It's kind of useful. Transient. Why do we need this though? We just finished it. It's the list state actually, but yes, internal to the list. It's because list state actually doesn't know the number of items in the list until this PR. Okay, got it. Yeah. Not sure why the transient thing is needed here. Let me actually search transient. The item count is transient. Yeah, I don't know what this means in practicality. Let me see the comment. I didn't add any review comments, but I might do that later. After Adrian probably. I think adding item count to state is a good idea. Returning option, I'm not sure. Like, why is that an option? Like, when returns none if the list hasn't been rendered yet. That sounds a bit weird, to be honest. Like, yeah. This value is set during rendering. That sounds a bit weird. Like, I would expect item count to be initialized when you create the list state. You know what I mean? Documentation changes, but I don't know. I don't know, maybe there's a good reason behind it. I haven't read all the comments here, so I'll probably do it later. But like I said, having a state being tied to the render time is a bit weird to me. Let me take a look at GitCliff stuff that Shingo told me. 1979, 1428. Did I check this before? I think I did. Man, we should probably remove, not remove, but like exclude some things outside of the librs, probably. Just battleground. I feel like librs on this project is now a battleground. Like it has so many things in there. It's partly my fault because I kept shoving in stuff to it. Dude, I don't know. Probably I need some solo time to digest this a little bit. I don't think I will be able to bring something useful to this PR right now. I already have it on my list, so don't worry, Shingo. I'll get to this at some point. I already left a comment here. So should we create a patch release for GitCliff? Sorry, Ratatouille. I think we talked about the the cell skip thing. We should probably do that, Adrian, at some point. Let me actually make a note about that. I need to find the PR though. Let me find the PR. Skip this one. I think it was this one, right? Because we removed the this line. No, it's this line. We talked about this breaking. And I think might Alright, I added a comment. I can prep a PR for it tomorrow unless someone is quicker on the draw. Yeah, let's plan the release after that PR. I think we want to go for a patch, right? I'm not sure. We can look into the changes. But yeah, let's plan it after the PR. After that's merged, I'm going to start contributing to the recipe from this month. I have learned enough Rust and have shipped Oracle to you, which you add an awesome recipe list. Can't wait to do some cool stuff. Amazing, man. We always appreciate new rats around the rats headquarters or whatever this repo is. So definitely, man, would love to have you and would love to help you contribute. If multiple PRs end up being open for the same issue, how do you usually handle it? Part of this is on me since I didn't understand the issue, but if several people start working on it independently, I like to make sure nobody's effort gets wasted and that everyone gets proper credit. I would probably prioritize the one that is first created, and you know, like give equal attention to both of the PRs probably. And if there's some overlap, you just tell, hey, there's this other PR which is doing the same thing, would you mind having a look, and just, you know, if that's doing the same thing, do you mind closing this one, or just help me review the other one, or like, I don't know, you know, you just kind of manage it like that, I guess. So yeah, welcome to the community. By the way, any tips on maintaining and cloning such large projects and set up them like Ratatouille? Guys, any tips on that? Actually, I'm gonna leave that question to Shingo and Junk Dog. So yeah, guys, I just kind of like step back here and just want you to answer that one, because I'm curious as well, you know, like I'm curious because I mean, you guys are also like helping me out on this, so I want to give you the spotlight for a change. Thanks for the advice. I mean, of course, man. I just directed the question off of me. Any tips on maintaining Ratatouille or Gitcliff or any big project, guys? Let me see what else we have over here. Yeah, I can take a look at the this one as well. The lints. Do we actually run the pedantic lints on Ratatouille? I'm curious now. Let's see. Probably there are a lot of things to fix. Pedantic priorities -1. So I guess that means we don't run them, but I'm not sure. I mean, it's tricky and unfortunate when multiple PRs address the same issue. In an ideal world, I wish I would pay all PRs equal attention, but I'd probably favor the first, but try to look at all. Yeah. Yeah. I'll just check the pedantic setup for these two projects. I'd love to see Cyclone and come back to GitLab. Yeah. Why don't we actually ping him on Discord? Would be nice to have him back. It's pretty cool. Let's ping him. There's so many cool, like, I have met so many amazing people in open source. I'm not even counting you guys in, but like so many great people. It's just crazy. But you guys are also great. You guys are the real OGs since you're here and you're actually watch me suffer live. That means a lot to me. I'm about to cry. I'm getting very emotional. No, don't look at me. Watch the screen, okay? Don't look at my face cam. Come on. You can look at my hat. I was just joking. Okay, what's going on here, Shingo? Got it. Oh, thanks for looking into this lazy regex thing, by the way. I already read it, don't worry. I think I read it from the email. So, yeah, don't worry. I have a strong objection to lonesome, but then, however, if we go that approach, we'll run into the issue discussed before. Some allow rules would need to be passed via CLI options in the GitHub action. Provide a shortcut. Alright. Let's read the final comment at the bottom. Yeah, okay. I just did. Do we, actually, let me check the contributors guide. Yeah, let's not do this actually. Let's just remove this line from the contributing guide. I mean, there are like more and more pedantic lints popping out with every new release of Rust. So I guess it makes sense to, you know, not really lean towards having all the lints fixed and just pushing that towards contributors. You know, we don't require that right now. It's optional, but we can just remove this line from the contributing guide and just run the pedantic lint check on the CI, and from time to time we could just fix the pedantic lint, and it's that. How does that sound, Shingo? Do you agree? Disagree? What do you think? The just file, I'm not sure. Like, just files tend to get really large. Like, I don't. That's why I don't like them. Like, we used a just file on ALPM project, and at this point, it's very huge, and I don't like it. And there's an issue about refactoring some parts into individual just files. So look at the just file that we currently have. Just look at this. So, you know, it's I mean, if you're gonna have scripts, let's just have scripts. You know, I don't want to write scripts inside of a script runner file, and this file just really quickly becomes a collection of hella scripts. Like, look at this. It just keeps, like, it just keeps going like this. Just keeps going like this. It just keeps going, man. You know, 1000 line of just scripting. And I'm not saying every project's gonna end up like this. I'm just saying that it's easy to just show everything under the carpet, you know. And I think this is the carpet. We should actually make a script runner called carpet. I'm just gonna add an alias to it, but I don't know. That's how I weave it. Maybe some other people will use them very effectively. That's just my experience with it. Maybe I just have a skill issue. I don't know. But in Ratatouille we use cargo X task, and it's, I think, kind of better. Like, if you look at it, it's at least modularized a little bit, so it's easy to find what you're looking for. One thing that I don't like this is basically you need to run external commands, and it's just like a script runner but written in Rust. Like, you're just writing Rust to run scripts, and that feels a bit like kind of like you don't need to use Rust to run scripts. You can just run the scripts, but you're just running scripts from Rust, and then you need to handle errors, check for the output, and so on. So it's like, you know, it's just a bit more work. But in case you're doing some really like Rust related stuff, for example, let's see, I don't know, you're just running scripts here. Yeah, for example, there isn't really a good example here. If you're like, I don't know, if you need to have some interaction with your API and kind of like use that, then it makes sense to use Xtask. But yeah, whatever. So yeah, that's how I see things in the command runner side of the world. I'm just taking a look at some other stuff to work on here. Is there anything else, Shingo? That's a really good point, by the way. I mean, I just saw this comment. This was merged. Yeah, it's a really good comment. Thank you, Adrian. I would agree, except Xtask pattern and Gitcliff as well, if that makes sense. Would agree. We should probably discuss this in a discussion. And I'm not like we don't run really that many commands in Gitcliff, so I'm not sure. Nothing from my side. Okay, great. Great. I think I'm also like very close to just wrapping this live stream. I kind of want to create a new release for Cassowary, to be honest, because I feel like it needs some love. It's been a while since it was released, so I think I'll just do that now. Let me just release a new version. I can probably merge this one. Let me merge it. And we could go ahead and merge this one, which will create a release. For 12, I think that's fine. Let me see if it's been updated. Yeah, it's been updated. I'll just wait for the CI and just gonna create a new release. I'm pretty happy with these projects, by the way. We have moved the ecosystem projects to our organization, and now it feels like we have officially accepted or recognized these projects, and they will become more official, and we could potentially revive them if the maintenance is low activity, you know. So yeah, that's pretty cool, I think. AI will likely become something that every industry has to deal with in some way, so it's probably better to focus on figuring out how to work with it rather than being overly pessimistic about it. That's a good take. I 100% agree with that. That's literally what I think. You read my mind. I'll just merge this. Let's see if this will work, because I have never released Cassowary before. We'll see if it's gonna be able to create a new release now. I think it released the crate. Okay, cool. It just created a new release. That was pretty quick. That was pretty quick, yeah. All right. Guys, I think that's it from me. I don't know if I need to work on some other stuff now, so I'll just drop off, but let me just check Twitter real quick. That is... That sounds very scary. Ratatouille, I'm inside you. It sounds scary, man. What do you mean? I'm gonna just leave a rat. Backend framework of choice for Rust backend. Good question. I think I would go with... I haven't tried Warp. Digging him. I haven't tried Warp. Anyone tried Warp yet? I mean, every year we get a new HTTP, what is it called, client server. So I'm not sure. I'll probably go with Axum. Yeah. Is he viewing the Ratatouille repo in a Ratatouille? Looks like Neovim. Hopefully though. Can CSV table made better on a terminal? What is this? Is this Ratatouille? Hopefully Ratatouille. Let's see. Zig. Damn, man. Which TUI framework is this? Zig Lab, Mibu. Is this the one? Pure Zig library for low level manipulation. Okay, I'll give them a star. You could probably try this out though. Okay. No Ratatouille. Damn. Neovim using 20 gigs. Rust backend software engineer rerun. Guys, there's a job opening if you wanna apply. I already got rejected from this, so good luck. Literally. Rust jobs are not a real thing, I think. Oh my god, that's very cool. No way. Dude, Twitter is sometimes fun. Also closing down Casma company. Take care, man. I'm just scrolling for 5 minutes. I'll also go. Thanks for tuning in. I should probably do a podcast with these guys. I need to go to US for that. If you're getting rejected for Rust jobs, I have no hope. Dude, I have no idea. Maybe they just don't like rats. Probably have some hope. Don't worry. DB Cooper. Oh my god. Are you... Oh my god. Guys, do you know... Do you get the reference? Am I just tripping? 1 second. DB Cooper. Oh my god, that's so good. Holy shit. That's a perfect name. Holy shit. I don't know if they did this on purpose, but there's a guy called DB Cooper, which was some internet mystery or something like that. And oh my god, they just named the project DB Cooper because it's doing DB stuff. Holy shit, that's perfect. I love the name. That's so good. I like it. Sorry, I just got really excited. Yeah, plane hijacker. Internet mystery. I just like... I gave the worst explanation ever. Oh my god, that's pretty cool. Plane hijacker was never found. That's a pretty good name. That's a good name for a project. Like after Ratatouille, DB Cooper. Let's go. Okay, I think my feed just got a little bit shitty, so I'll just stop here. Anyways, guys, thanks for tuning in. It was fun. Follow me on socials, join Discord. We'll do more stuff. We'll cook, all right? We'll keep cooking. So just stay tuned. And yeah, I don't know what to say. Like it's just I've been live streaming for 2 years now, I think, and I still don't know how to do an outro. It's always awkward to do these things. Yeah, so yeah, guys, I guess just keep grinding. Join the grind house. Let me leave a link to that. Actually, let me leave a link real quick. Boom. Join the grind house. Keep grinding. See you on socials. And yeah, I was here with the rat chef. He's in the background. He says hi, and I guess take care. Thank you. Signing off. Dude, I don't know. I don't have a message. I don't have a greater message for the world. Just keep cooking, alright? Keep fucking cooking. See you guys. Dude, I ain't gonna lie, I just like PHP a lot. Like, I just have a soft spot for PHP, man. 2 years in PHP, let's get it.